Hey, Feather, is anything alright? Well, I was trying to catch a banana while I'm standing on the twig, but then it snapped off. Why did it snapped off? Because I was too heavy. That's weird. I never seen you no heavy like a walrus. A walrus? Why is it called that? Well, I saw one in a beach. You see, walrus is a sea mammal. It looks like a seal, except it's large and fat. And it has large tusks on his mouth. Well, I didn't see this animal like that. Well, I don't see it either. Here, have a look at the walrus. A walrus. A walrus. Walruses are sea mammals that are larger than seals. Wow, look how big it is. Yup, this sea mammal lives in Arctic. Walruses like to eat fish. Well, I never seen like that.